The tiny helicopter you see here costs as much as a real helicopter. But what makes it so special? Actually, this is the world's smallest and most expensive drone, the Black Hornet. It's a military drone used by armed forces across the world, including India's military. This drone is only 15 centimeters long and weighs just 33 grams. It's equipped with highly advanced sensors, cameras, and secure communication systems. What's more, it operates silently, making it nearly impossible for enemies to detect, allowing the military to gather intelligence without being seen. That's why this tiny drone costs a whopping 2 crore rupees.